Royal Highness Inkhosikati LaMatsebula says instilling discipline in young people should form part of the efforts made to preserve the Siswati language. Her Royal Highness was speaking during the commemoration of the Mother Tongue Day, which was held at a Sibayeni lodge.
International Mother Language Day was proclaimed by the General Conference of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, in November 1999. In May 2009, the United Nations General Assembly called on its member states to promote the preservation and protection of all languages used by the people of the world. Most nations are faced with the daunting task of restoring native languages, especially among young people who seem to be losing their identity on an alarming rate. During the event, which was hosted by Macmillan Swaziland, Her Royal Highness Inkhosikati LaMatsebula was requested to equip the nation with strategies which can be used in ensuring that Siswati language is preserved for generations to come. Indeed, Her Royal Highness's speech gave direction and inspiration on how this could be achieved, especially among young people. Inkhosikati said efforts to restore Siswati language among young people in schools should include instilling discipline.
Bantfa bethu banelungelo lekuniketwa imfundo lengiyo. Lemfundo lengiyo lomfana nangabe kude idiscipline utayikhanzigidzapi. Ukhulumile makwami lana wakhuluma bayibathi positive discipline. Uthi lo mbuto le positive discipline isinike maphi imiphumela so far. Ngithi nangibuka makwami lomnye ukhulumile ngekungaqhubeki kahle kwema results. Bese ngiyabuta ukuthi kuya ngani bantwana bethu bangaphasi lo nyaka kule minyaka lesesikuyo. Ngivele ngibese ngiyacakeka nje. Lolu lwimi lesikhuluma ngalo namhla la. Lungilona lesitawuhambisa ngayo lemfundo lesithi sifundzisa labantu bethu ukuthi sifike ku-2022 sibe sihamba mgomo munye nabo bangakasali emuva. Mina namhla ngibona ngathi thina batali labakhona namhla nahulumende wethu si selfish. Asifuni bantu bethu bafunze. Thina sibenefitile. Konke kwethu kuhle, but bantu bethu sithi siyababulala. Geja sibe sithi sifuna babe ngcono kusasa. Mina bengingathi kube bekwendeka. Uhulumende akabe nendlela yokusifundisa thina batali ukuthi labantwana nasibafundzisa lemakhaya le discipline lenginstilla kulomntwana mine lesikolweni thishela utayichuba njani kuze ichubeke.
The managing director of Macmillan Swaziland, Pusisiwe Smilane, said one of the ways through which Siswati language could be preserved is including it in technology innovations in the country.
Kufike manje wethu ngalomnyaka sihlangene Sibayeni kunento leyaguquka kunelishintsho lolwendeka siyabonga Nkosi.
Deliwe Mohammed, who is the Siswati language senior inspector, said government is committed to ensuring that Siswati language is preserved, saying the Ministry of Education has a policy which protects students from being disciplined for speaking in their native language in schools. During the event, a message from the Director General of UNESCO, Irina Bokova, was delivered. Sipilanje Drama Society and a number of schools staged plays which taught on the importance of preserving Siswati. Inkhosikati awarded schools which excelled during the plays, but above that, she embraced all children who were part of the stage plays by presenting them with 5,000 emalangeni. The host appreciated Inkhosikati by presenting her with a special gift. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sandile Makanya with Tabiso Dlamini in Matsapa.